Alright, taco lovers, let's keep it simple and tasty. Today, I'm showing you how to make delicious tacos from scratch right at home. Let's get started. First, grab your protein: chicken, beef, beans. I'm using seasoned ground beef. Heat a pan over medium, toss in your beef, break it up as it cooks. Sprinkle in taco seasoning, store-bought, homemade, and add a splash of water. Let that simmer while you prep your toppings. Now chop up your favorite veggies: shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, red onion. Don't forget the cheese. Cheddar melts beautifully. Slice avocado or whip together a quick guac. Alright, let's talk shells. Crunchy corn shells, soft flour tortillas. Warm them in a dry pan or microwave for a few seconds so they're soft and ready. Now for the fun part, assembly. Scoop your hot, flavorful filling into the shell, then pile on the toppings: lettuce, tomato, cheese, squeeze of lime, drizzle of salsa. And there you have it! Homemade tacos in under 10 minutes. Perfect for a quick dinner, a party, or just because tacos are awesome. Give these a try and let me know your favorite toppings in the comments. Thanks for hanging out with me, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy recipes.